Good afternoon, everybody. Wanted to give you an update. Today was a pretty big day. I don't know if any of you seen the short I put out, but today tore down the engine, got all the tens off, painted the harmonic or the pulley, also painted the intake manifold, painted it aluminum. It just was a little scruffy, so I went ahead and painted that. We also painted the tens, which is pretty freaking exciting. Here we go over here, guys. So this is what the color of the car is going to be. The 73 thing is going flame red, and this is flame red. So these are all the tens. Came out really good. Not gonna wet sand and buff or do anything crazy. Just, you know, your basic 2 coats of base, 2 coats of clear. Me and Ron were doing this. He was showing me. I haven't painted anything in a very long time, so he was kind of refreshing me on how to do this, and that was really, really fun. I enjoyed that a lot. But yeah, we painted in our garage here. We learned some things. When we did this, I hung all of the tens from bungee cords here. Wow, that was a disaster. So they went to the table. Long story short, they like to spin and swing around and do all kinds of crazy shit. So we survived that, but yeah. So we're looking pretty good. Tomorrow, big day. I'm gonna reinstall the tens. I've got all new hardware and everything, so it should look great. I'm going to get the tens on, everything but the fan shroud cover. Last night I placed a very large order with J-Bugs. I bought the empty clutch, I bought the flywheel, I bought a new oil cooler with the gaskets or seals, whatever you want to call it. I bought the engine bolt kit with the D-bolt for the starter with all the right nuts. I bought a carburetor. I bought their 34 picked J-Bugs version. That's what I bought. I bought a new Bosch starter. I also bought the MP Chrome alternator kit. So that's coming. I bought the gaskets and everything to go under here. Got all that. I bought a fuel filter, one of the plastic clear fuel filters. I've heard horror stories about the glass ones, so I bought a plastic one. So yeah, I've got the dune buggy exhaust, which is really wild. It comes out of here, goes down, and then this one comes up in a big exhaust tube here. So when we start this thing, it should be just louder than hell. But the hope is that we get these parts here soon, and when I get them, I hope to have everything ready to just bolt everything else that needs to be bolted on. Got the belt, got everything, and hopefully start this thing. We'll be running out of a gas can, and but I think we're close. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Had to learn how to do the tens, how they all go. I had to trim up the tens a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit, where they meet right here. Was touching on both sides, so I trimmed that up, and then where the intake comes down on this side, I had to trim up a little bit, but you can't tell it. It looks great. And yeah, other than that, everything turned out pretty good, I think. And so now I'm just super excited to just bolt parts on. Something else that happened today, it's all covered up because we didn't want to get clear on everything, but Ron's been working the wheel wells. This one here is about ready for primer. The other one over here, try not to touch any of this stuff. The other one over here is actually pretty close too. Tomorrow, the plan is Ron's gonna get the wheel wells ready, and hopefully by tomorrow night we're priming the wheel wells, and that'll be huge. Another step in the right direction. So I'm going to be doing the engine. Ron's going to be doing the wheel wells, and hopefully we meet in the middle by the end of the night. And we've got a pretty cool little video we can show you guys with a lot of progress. So this was one of the design elements I had for this car. The finned aluminum valve covers, the red, all the tins red. You know, we'll have a chrome coil bracket with bolts. All of this is chrome. I bought the chrome MP alternator kit. I've got all brand new hardware to bolt it on, polished stainless. And, you know, it should really look pretty sharp. Also bought a MP chrome round air cleaner for Volkswagen carburetor. So that'll be kind of cool too. And yeah, so that's what we got. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. I gotta go pick up my wife from work, about an hour away, but that's where we're at. So tomorrow, stay tuned. Lots of red will be here. Should look really sharp. And we should have primer on the wheel wells, be able to show you that. And yeah, really just kind of starting to get there, which is super exciting. So that's happening. And later on, hopefully this coming week, we'll receive the parts from J-Bugs, and we'll go ahead and get all those bolted in. So yeah, lots happening over here, guys and girls. So you guys have a great night. And I will shoot you out another video tomorrow, and this should look pretty different. You guys have a great night. Please like and subscribe. We actually got over 50 subscribers now. I think we're at 56, which we are so thankful for every one of you. I'm trying to build this channel, and you know, it seems like depending on what kind of videos I put out, you know, whether it's something exciting like when we put the actual car together and sat here, we got a lot of subscribers from that, and you know, this, that, and the other. So hopefully we'll get you guys some pretty cool content. Maybe some of you that are, it looks like, I think like 85% of the people watching aren't subscribed. So if you could subscribe, that'd be fantastic, because we have a lot of projects. It's not just this. There's this. When this is done, 40 Ford two-door sedan is coming in, gonna get painted black, wheels, automatic tranny. Then we're gonna send it out and get the interior done. Right after that, the 65 Chevelle SS Malibu is coming in for a full frame off restoration. And after that, I got a 63 Chrysler 300 sitting outside. That is super rare. It's a 383 4-speed car, and it's pretty cool. We've done some pretty neat modifications to it. I think you guys will like. Once it all gets put back together, you'll see it. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll talk at you soon. Have a great night.